Crafts, and in today's quick tips video, I'm going to show you how to make perfectly straight cuts on your cardstock. This is the Fiskars paper trimmer, and it is the key to getting perfectly straight cuts with your cardstock. Simply insert your paper and make sure you press the paper all the way to the top edge. I'm going to cut a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 panel from this white cardstock. I've lined it up here, make my first cut, line it up again, making sure to press that edge all the way to the top, and perfectly straight cuts. If you're seeing jagged lines here, ragged edges, or if the top here has a slight nick in it, it's time to replace your blade. It's easy to replace the blades here. Simply come down to the handle section, gently separate the pieces of the track, and remove the blade. New blades come with a protective covering. Simply remove the cover and reverse the motion. The blade runs smoothly along the track. If that does not resolve your issue, or if you can see paper buildup, the other trick would be to clean this cutting tray edge. I do it with a piece of cardstock, just like that. Thanks for joining me for today's quick tips video. I hope you'll have great success with your paper trimmer. Of course, if at any time you have a question, feel free to hit me up, Tracy@bewitchedcrafts.com.